Sermon number 37. His steadfastness in religion, and precedence in acceptance of belief. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. I discharged duties when others lost courage to do so, and I came forward when others hid themselves. I spoke when others remained mum. I struck with divine light when others remained standing. I was the quietest of them in voice but the highest in going forward. I cleaved to its rein and applied myself solely to its pledge, like the mountain which neither sweeping wind could move nor storm could shake. No one could find fault with me nor could any speaker speak ill of me. The low is in my view worthy of honor till I secure his right for him. While the strong is in my view weak till I take others' right from him. We are happy with the destiny ordained by Allah and have submitted to the command of Allah. Do you think I would speak lie about the Prophet of Allah? By Allah, I am surely the first to testify him, so I will not be the first to falsify him. I looked at my affairs and found that my obedience should have precedence over my allegiance while my pledge with him is a burden on my neck.